Welcome to the session. Today we will discuss about index. What is an index? How to create an index in on a table and how to drop it. Okay. What is the indexes? So indexes are used to retrieve data from the database more quickly than otherwise. So it used to retrieve the data more quickly. Okay. Then the users cannot see the indexes. They just speed up the searches or queries. Okay, speed up searches or queries. Okay, updating a table. A note. Okay, updating a table with indexes takes more time than updating a table without, because the indexes also need an update. So only create database on columns that will be frequently searched against. Okay, so whenever you more filter you use in a where clause, only that on that column you create an index. Okay, let's see the syntax for how to create an index on a table. Okay, create index name on table name followed by the columns, which columns you want to create it. Okay, this is syntax for creating an index. Okay, the syntax for creating indexes varies among different database. Therefore, check the syntax for creating indexes in your database. Okay, so let's create a table. Persons, create table name, ID, integer column, primary key. Okay, last name, char of 255, first name, char of 255. Okay, let's create a table. Okay, now once you create a table, you can see the structure of it by clicking Alt F1. Here you can see the primary key has been created. Now, so whenever you create a primary key, by default a clustered index is created. Okay, I can show you this. So you can open the Object Explorer, go to the test database, go out to the tables, persons. So keys, if you see primary keys created, and by default a clustered index key will be created on a column. Okay, so now let's see, let's drop this table and recreate without a primary key, and then we can create an index on this. So create index. Now if you see, the moment I drop a primary key, so there will be no indexes. Okay, refresh it. Create index. Let's say index name is idx name on persons table. Yeah, let's say I want to create an on ID only. Okay, index ID I can. This is how we create an index on the table. Now, how to drop an index? How to drop an index in SQL Server? So drop index in the table name followed by index name dot index name. This is syntax to drop an index. Let's see how we can drop this index. Drop index on persons table dot idx id. Okay, this is how you can drop an index. Refresh this, right? Okay. So now I think that's it for today's class. Tomorrow we will see auto increment field. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.